Hey boys, welcome back to another video. This is a weekend update. I'm going to tell you exactly what is my plan for Bitcoin, altcoins, how I'm going to trade it next week because we are starting to bounce. Is this the bottom? And I did take some profits on my longs yesterday because I wanted to have a fresh start next week. And I'm also back traveling right now. So if you want to know what's my plan next week, you know what red folders I'm watching for, make sure to watch this whole video. So this was the setup that I was looking at for Bitcoin last week, and I actually longed the discount zone. So I'm just going to show you my profits from last week. Editor just put it here. So small profits, but I'm pretty happy with my performance because it was pretty choppy, and I got stopped out at break even a bunch of times. And on Friday I longed, and I just decided to take profits and end with the week in green. So I'm pretty happy. Now this is a classic discount zone long, and then you get stacked liquidity, and then you run for the high. So I think the weekly close will tell basically everything how we're going to trade for the rest of the month on Bitcoin, because we hit all of the levels down below. So we didn't take this though. So we did take this, and we probably crushed and liquidated a lot of people who longed this macro POC. But this is how the weekly is looking. If we are bullish because of the core inflation, and everyone's anticipating for the rate cut, if we're really bullish because we had a nice economic data, I feel like this weekly candle should turn green or blue, and then we start to rally and maybe hit even 80k, right? But if not, if we fail to take this liquidity, reclaim that level, and reclaim and go higher, because we're probably going much lower. So this is what I'm looking at. This 72k will be key next week. There could be some longs back test here, but be careful, because I feel like we're kind of like in the middle of this internal range if we do come down. So maybe we come down on Monday and then we push higher, or we come down and then lower, make a new low, right? So you got to be careful, because next week we do have FOMC minutes. I think this is just a replay, but we got unemployment claims, more job data, and we got core PCE price index. So more data next week. I think we're going to be more volatile again next week. So pretty simple TA right now. My next level for Bitcoin, what I want to watch, possible short SFP also, is this 72k, and then you got some levels up here. You could call this poor highs, but I feel like this would be like a massive resistance too. So we're in bear market right now, and also want to play the shorts, but obviously we are at the bottom, so there might be some swing longs, one last long before we go to zero. So for Solana, let's look at Solana. Solana is looking really strong right now, honestly. Every coin actually looks the same. So this was the first long that I tried on Solana. I think I got stopped out for break. Oh no, I longed here on Solana when we went down, and then I longed here, and I didn't take profits. I round tripped it here, and then I tried longing again here, and then I was in profits. I put my stop loss there to break even, and then I got stopped out, and then I think I longed here again after I think the news probably, and then we went up. I took some profits, and I ended the week in green. So if BTC all is looking the same, we want to see how we react from these highs. So that's what I want to see next week. Do we take it and reclaim Do we break it, reclaim backtest and go higher, or do we reject from here, go lower and make new lows, right? So pretty simple TA. All right. So that is it for this quick weekend update. I'm probably gonna update you more tomorrow, Sunday. So make sure to subscribe, like this video. I do have some links below if you want to check it out. Best way to help a small channel. Use my link, boys, so that I can keep longing the bottom, even the top. So thank you, boys, for watching. See you guys on the next one.